Does your car stink? Try this portable humidifier. You can even change the LED to white. Just add some water. Then add favorite scent. Stir, stir, stir. Enjoy fresh air and vibes. Link in bio.